Hey Kid Crew, I am back with another book for our Feature Friday. Now usually I post my Feature Friday review books on my social media, but today I am posting it to YouTube for a special reason you'll find out later on. Now today I will be talking about the book SonFlower Brothers, a STEM Adventure, a do-it-yourself ice cream lab, written by Angie Martin Barnes and Shakiyla McLin Barnes. Now this book is all about two little boys, C3 and Kaysen, who visit their Grammy. Now their Grammy is a scientist and they get to spend the day with her on a STEM adventure. Now together they learn about the different components of chemistry like colligative properties and what matter is. Now just like my regular reviews that I do on Fridays, I won't be reading the book, but we will be able to make ice cream together. Are you ready? Ready, set, let's begin. Alright K-Crew, so we are here to make our very own ice cream, just like the ice cream that was in the book. Now what we're going to need is 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a cup of milk, 1/3 cup of rock salt or ice cream salt, some sandwich bags, and ice. Now in the book it calls for a container. My containers are kind of small, so I grabbed a gallon-sized Ziploc bag instead, and then 2 small sandwich bags so nothing will leak out. And also, guess what you're gonna need? Boom! A copy of SonFlower Brothers Stem Adventures book. We can't do our experiment without this book, so thank you! So when you're at home doing this experiment, make sure to grab a copy of this book first. You're gonna love it. Alright, now let's get started. Alright, so our first thing that we are going to do to make our own ice cream is to add the salt with the ice. Now I went ahead and put the 3 cups of ice in this bag already. And one thing I like about this book is it gives us the why behind everything that we do. It doesn't just tell us how to make it, but it lets us know why we're adding the salt to ice. The salt helps make the ice cold enough so we can have a nice little ice cream. We don't want really milkshake, a warm milkshake, right? So we're going to seal that up for right now. Now, as our beautiful ingredients just appeared, we're going to add them to our little baggie. So first, we're going to start with the milk. So we're pouring half a cup of milk inside the bag, just like that. And then we're going to give a little love with the vanilla extract. And then we're going to top it up. Oh man. Then we're going to top it off with the sugar. And I like to stir it with the sugar, with the spoon too. See, look at me making a mess already. Yeah. But that's okay, because guess what? Science is fun and science is messy. And you just got to roll with it. Because it's fun. We want to let the air out. Yeah. Alright, so let the air out there. I'm going to freeze it. And now you can mix it up a little bit more like this. Look at it. Alright, so now we are going to add our mixture into our bag of ice. Just like this. So we're going to place it inside. If I can open it. And tuck it right nice and deep down in there with the salt and we're gonna squeeze the air out, because when you're working with bags you just don't want the air in there. And we're going to give it a shake for 5 minutes.
Alright, let's get this shaking. Here we go. Yeah. Wait, I have to tell you all something. Buy this book.
Alright, it has been 5 minutes and it's time for us to dig in. Let's see. I actually did 2 of these, but this is the original one. And look. Look at it. It feels like ice cream. It's like not liquid. Before it was like really loose and like, you know, liquefied. But because of the colligative properties, it turned into more of a solid. I'm too excited, so I'm ready to open this right now. Look at that. Yummy. Let's get a spoonful. Who would have thought we would have had ice cream in like 5 minutes? Let's try it. Mmm. Oh, yes. This is good. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay, this is for real good though. I hope you enjoyed making the ice cream with me. I greatly enjoyed reading through this book because it gives you the why behind everything. It shows you how to make ice cream, but it also gives you why, the science behind it. I enjoyed going on a STEM adventure, and I think you and your family will too. So make sure to pick up your copy of SonFlower Brothers Stem Adventures on williejamesbooks.com. And also be sure to follow SonFlower Brothers on social media and subscribe to their YouTube channel for fun educational videos. I thank you all so much for joining me. Make sure to grab a copy of this book. I know there are plenty of families out there who are homeschooling, and I think this book will help a lot during your science portion of class. So make sure to grab your copy, and I will see you on our next review. Bye!